to see. It's okay. You can share it with him.
What you got?
Who you got there? Who you got? You got a yours? You got a yours?
This puppy dog don't sit on him.
What? What did she say? I don't know what she said. What did you say? I don't know. I think she wants to sit yours. She wants to give you shoulders.
Love him.
Hey, no ma'am. You know better than that. You don't hit people.